Hey, foodies! Welcome back to Blogging Good Food. I am James, and tonight we are diving into the soul soothing world of dinner soups that will warm your night. Trust me, you will not want to miss these. But before we jump into the goodness, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more mouth-watering content. Now, let's get started. Creamy tomato basil. Our first stop is the classic creamy tomato basil. Ripe, juicy tomatoes mingling with the aromatic embrace of fresh basil. It's like a hug in a bowl. Folks, chicken noodle magic. Next up, we have got the ultimate comfort soup, chicken noodle magic. Just imagine those slurpy noodles dancing with hearty chunks of chicken because we can resist the charm of a bowl full of pure comfort. Spicy lentil fiesta. Now let's add a kick to our night with the spicy lentil fiesta. Vibrant lentils simmering in a cauldron of fiery spices. Get ready for a flavor explosion that will awaken your taste buds. Seafood strangely. For a touch of elegance, we are sailing into the seafood serenity. Imagine succulent seafood gently nestled in a bowl, with the calming sounds of ocean waves in the background. It's the perfect recipe for a serene evening by the fireplace. Velvety broccoli cheddar please. Brace yourselves for the velvety goodness of broccoli cheddar please. Imagine the rich, cheesy embrace of cheddar melding with tender broccoli florets. It's a symphony of flavors that will make your taste buds sing. Zenful Miso Delight. To round off our culinary journey, let's embrace the Zenful Miso Delight. Delicate tofu cubes and seaweed dancing in a sea of savory miso broth. It's a bowl of tranquility that will transport you to a peaceful state of mind. And there you have it, folks. The best dinner soups to warm your night. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delightful recipes. Until next time, happy soup slurping.